Most people are overpaying for their car insurance, and they don't even realize it. The main reason they don't have any idea is because they have not compared their options recently. I'm Steve Marsh with Hometown Insurance right here in Dacula, Georgia, and we help families and businesses to shop their insurance to find better savings and better coverage than they currently have. So in this video right now, I'm going to break down exactly what insurance costs are right now in Georgia and what you should be paying. And I'll also just show you where most people get things wrong, and that actually really affects them where they overpay quite a bit for insurance. So let's start with real numbers. Most drivers in Georgia are paying somewhere between $1,200 and $3,000 per year for one vehicle on their car insurance, and there's a good reason for that. When someone calls us and says, "Hey, I feel like I'm really overpaying for insurance right now," they're usually right. So what determines where you fall in that range? One of the biggest things that's going to play into the price of your insurance policy is your driving history. So the insurance companies look back 3 to 5 years for any accidents or tickets that you may have had. That's going to directly affect your rate. Good driving definitely pays off. The next factor that plays into the insurance premium is actually the zip code of where you live. Cities that have more car accidents, those people pay more for insurance in those cities than cities where there are fewer vehicles and fewer accidents. The third thing that plays into the price of the policy is actually the insurance company you choose itself. And finally, number 4 is actually the vehicle that you choose. Some vehicles are obviously more expensive than other ones, repairs are more expensive, and if the vehicle is a total loss, the insurance company has to pay more money to replace it. So that affects the price as well. And this is where things get interesting. People set up their insurance policy and just have it on automatic payments, renewing year after year after year without ever reshopping the insurance policy. Because sometimes they're just little incremental rate increases, you can find the policy that you were paying for years ago has doubled or tripled in price. Having an independent agent to shop those policies for you in the market, we find this every day that we're finding savings for almost every person that gives us a call. And I'll give you a real-world example from a family right here in Dacula, Georgia. They were paying about $2,400 a year for their car insurance. We reshopped it with all of our carriers, found them the exact same coverage with the same vehicles, same drivers, same benefits, same everything for $1,400. That's $800 a year in savings that they were able to invest elsewhere. These kind of savings are very common when we have people call our agency. And this is something most people don't realize. There's not one insurance company that has the least expensive prices for everyone. It doesn't exist. One company might be great for one person and terrible for another. That's why working with an independent agency makes such a difference. Because instead of guessing or calling multiple places yourself, you have one agency that's working on your behalf to shop the market to find you the best rates. So if you're wondering if you're paying too much for insurance, there's one easy way to find out. Reach out to us at Hometown Insurance. We'll shop the market, look at all the different companies we have, trying to find you the best rates while keeping excellent coverage. All you got to do is give us a call, click the link below, or Google us at Hometown Insurance Dacula. We appreciate you.